Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to change name on Canvas basis on PC. To change your name on Canvas basis, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.badger.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Canvas basis. Now here you'll be directly taken to sign in page. Now to change your name on Canvas Baz, you need to first log into your account. To sign in, you can use your Facebook account, your Google account, your Microsoft account or your LinkedIn account as well as Temenos account and Twitter account. Here I'm going to log in manually. For that, first enter your email address on the given box. Then enter your correct password of your account. After this, click on Sign In option. With this, you'll be logged into your Canvas Basis account using your email. Now here, you'll be directly taken to your backpack section. Now on the top right section, you can see your profile name. Click on your profile name. Then here you can see Account Settings option. Click on Account Settings option. Then here you can see all the account details. Here you can see Edit Personal Information option on the right side. Click on Edit Personal Information. Now here you need to first click on first name box and then remove the name and then enter your new first name. Then you can also remove your last name, then enter your last name on the given box. Similarly, you can also change your occupation or job title. After doing so, click on Save option. With this, your name on Canvas Baz will be changed. As you can see here, my name has been changed from Hannett Noah to Kyle Richard. This is how we can change name on Canvas basis. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.